Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. I figured do a video on checking the oil on your 997 if you're thinking about getting one of these. So far I've had pretty good luck with it. According to the owner's manual, you'll typically keep in mind what a lot of people I've noticed don't talk about is these things have, it's a high performance motor and they do consume oil. Which I believe, of course, leads to the bore scoring issue. So hopefully, if you're thinking about getting one, hopefully the previous owner paid attention to that. Also, your air cleaner. I want to show you guys something. So just basic maintenance, of course, regularly. I mean, the owner's manual says every fill-up, but I would advise every... if you're going to run it hard, every 100 to 200 miles, but I would just make it a habit. Every time you get into the car, I would advise check it regularly. And what I was getting at with the air cleaner, so this here, it sits on top of the engine. So basically debris can fall into the chambers and damage your engine. And I don't really hear too many people calling or talking about it, but anyway, I just wanted to point that out. And then the other thing, of course, so this is pretty easy here, checking your oil. So you'll just basically just put the key in position 2 and then just blip the key. Let me turn this off here. And then it's going to calculate, as you can see. And so check this out. I'm glad I created this video. So I need to add 0.4 of an oil, 0.4 of a quart of oil, and I don't go above. Let me go back and show you. So it's going to measure again. Alright, so I ran this car, I put about maybe 60 miles on it. I ran it pretty hard, and what I do, or what I don't do is go above that second line. So it'll be basically 0.4 of a quart and then check it. And actually, tell you what, let's go ahead and let's do that now. Let's see here. I guess while we're at it, then we can get rid of some of this stuff. And this basically attaches to the airbox. What I like to do, I just pop that off there. I remember the first time I did it, it kind of freaked me out. I thought I broke something, but anyways, I may not be able to do this with one hand, but let's give this a go. And I'm also, I don't know if you saw my other video with the 500 mile situation. It was kind of crazy. The oil was actually extremely dirty. And again, the owner's manual recommends every 6,000, but I don't believe him. I mean, I love Porsche, but no way. Let's see if we can get this open here. And then what I'm going to do is, so we have the oil here. You'll want to take a look. Let's see, so I'm going to do 0.4, so you kind of have to guesstimate, obviously pour less as opposed to overdoing it. Let's see if I can do this with one hand here. There we go. And then I just have to go back here and check again. And I also found on the computer it takes a minute to read, so then you'll have to give it a second as you top off the oil and then do another reading. Let's see if that did anything. Let's check it out. It was very minute, but better to be safe than sorry. So I did, man, that felt like 0.3, but it's going to tell us. Where's the oil? Man, look at that precision at its finest. So I don't want to go above that top bar. See that? Alright, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.